If you've got a good gun vise, crossbow fits in there just fine. Anything you can get where the crossbow is stable and you can get it level. And I've got a little tool. It's basically a reticle leveler, right? It's got a bubble on it and it's got these crossbars. So what you're going to do is you can put this under your scope, connect it like that. Okay, so now the reticle lines are leveled. And then you just look through your scope and make sure your horizontal lines are in line with those horizontal lines. And if they are, your scope's level. If they're not, you loosen your scope mounts just a little bit and tweak it until they're level. What do you need a level scope for? If you make elevation corrections, it's really not necessarily going to affect that much, but it will affect your windage corrections. If you're canted a little bit and you start making clicks to the left, clicks to the right, as you go further down range, they're going to be further and further off. Level scope is really important, especially for long range shooting. So that's a quick and easy way to do it. This is like a $6 tool. There are a bunch of other tricks. In fact, one that I thought was pretty cool shown to me today. Take your iPhone and take it to the compass setting. In the middle of the compass setting, you see that little floating circle with an X on it right there? You can level your scope by putting that right on top of the scope and making sure that it sets right in the center of that compass marking. Other unique things about this scope, you can see on it, it has a setting for the feet per second of the bow. That's important. This one is called the Hyperghost 405. But you can see this is set at maximum, which is 450 feet per second. So those reticles set at that setting won't be accurate. So you want to make sure that you set that to your bow's speed. So I'm going to bring this down to about just a hair past 400, 405. And now I'm ready to go to the range, get this thing zeroed.